And in the worst case scenario where the property is forfeited to the federal government, is it just a matter of time where you have to wait for the whole process to go through and then you eventually get your property back, maybe after 1 or 2 years?
You don't get the property back so much. What ends up happening is, in our experience, is one of two things happen. Either the borrower will refinance or sell the property, in which case you'll get paid off. Or what they will do is they will do a court-ordered sale, and we've seen that in a couple of cases. And the U.S. Marshal Service ends up selling the property. It can be a challenge to work with people outside the real estate industry. The Marshal Service aren't people who show up at the California Mortgage Association conferences and understand commercial real estate, but they will work with escrows and with brokers to get the property sold, and then you will get paid out based on a certain agreement with the U.S. Attorney's Office.
But that could just take a lot of time, and meanwhile you're not earning any interest, or you can't do anything. And
no return, no nothing. Okay. But again, I just want to make sure that this is clear. Those are only in situations where the marijuana, the cannabis activity is outside California's statutory scheme. As long as you're in compliance with California law, okay, the general rule, as we understand the directions that have come down from the Department of Justice to the U.S. attorneys, is do not spend time on this. Congress has even, I believe, passed in the last session, passed amendments to legislation which prohibited the Department of Justice and the U.S. Attorney's Office from spending money on cannabis prosecutions in states where where it's legal and where the purported defendants are in compliance with California law. So, it's going in with your eyes open, understanding what you're getting into, understanding that every increase in yield has a certain price or a certain risk to it. You understand. I think the risk of having the properties be forfeited, is, as long as they're in compliance, is rather small. The cost of ensuring compliance with the statutory scheme is something the lender has to bear, and really passes it on to the borrower to prove that they are in compliance.
Okay, excellent. That's some great insight.
All right.
Yeah.
Anyway,
well, Paul, hey, thanks for stopping by. And
no, thank you for giving me a chance.
Yeah, of course.
All right.
Thank you. And anyone has any questions about cannabis lending, and not only California and other states, Geraci LLP, there's a law firm that specializes in the private mortgage industry, so maybe they can help you out.
We can help you out. Okay. And thank you again. Thanks for the time, Rocky.
Sure, no problem. Thanks.